What?
Oh, the door closed. Oh, Nick.
He took a picture.
Oh, Nick threw a hammer at me.
Hammer time.
That's exactly what I was thinking.
EMF
Oh,
still isn't
normal.
going
Get out of
on.
my head.
What else do we... John, notebook. John, write in the notebook. John, write in the notebook. What the hell? John? Oh, what the hell is going on?
Oh fuck.
Oh, he got me! Run!
What the fuck, dude? Oh my gosh, you guys died in the same spot!
Come on, Errol.
Oh.
We got dots. I just saw
Oh.
dots.
What? The
Yuri.
Yuri?
Oh, it's a Yuri. Not even giving me an EMF. Oh.
Oh.
No, I ran it.
Oh. Fuck.
Oh, at least I got it, dude.
Yeah, at least we got it.
Yep.